The 2015 Toyota Corolla is one of the most trusted names in the compact car world, and for good reason. Priced around $8,500 to $10,000 in today's used market, it's an affordable choice that delivers excellent long-term value. The Corolla is famous for its bulletproof reliability, meaning you can count on it to keep running smoothly for years with minimal issues. It's also highly fuel efficient, averaging over 30 miles per gallon, which makes it a money saver at the pump. Inside, the 2015 model offers a comfortable cabin, good rear seat space, and straightforward tech that's easy to use. While it's not the sportiest car in its class, its main strength is peace of mind. You know it will start every morning and get you where you need to go without breaking the bank. For students, commuters, or families on a budget, the Corolla is simply a smart buy. The 2015 Honda Civic has long been a favorite in the U.S., and it still shines in 2025 as one of the best used cars under $10,000. Most models fall in the $9,000 to $10,000 price range, depending on condition and mileage. What sets the Civic apart is its perfect balance of reliability and driving fun. Compared to many compact sedans, it feels more engaging behind the wheel with precise steering and a sporty edge, while still delivering impressive fuel economy. Inside, the Civic offers a sleek, modern interior with supportive seats and user-friendly controls. Safety is also a strong point, with features like stability control and multiple airbags. Long-lasting and easy to maintain, Civics often go beyond 200,000 miles when properly cared for. Whether you're a first-time buyer, a college student, or someone looking for a dependable daily driver with a bit of personality, the 2015 Civic is a standout choice. If you're searching for a car under $10,000 that brings excitement to everyday driving, the 2015 Mazda 3 is hard to beat. Priced around $8,000 to $9,500, it combines sporty handling, stylish design, and impressive efficiency. The Mazda 3 stands out in the compact segment because it doesn't just get you from point A to B, it makes the journey fun. With responsive steering and a well-tuned suspension, it feels more connected to the road than most rivals. Fuel economy is excellent too, often reaching 30 to 40 mpg, depending on the engine and transmission. Inside, the cabin feels more premium than expected for the price, with quality materials and a modern infotainment system. While it may have slightly higher maintenance costs than a Corolla, the driving experience more than makes up for it. For anyone who wants a reliable, affordable car with a sporty edge, the 2015 Mazda 3 is a winner. The 2015 Hyundai Elantra is one of the best values you can find under $10,000, usually selling between $7,500 and $9,000. Hyundai designed this car to compete directly with Toyota and Honda, and it does so with style. The Elantra offers a sleek, modern look, a comfortable interior, and plenty of tech features for its age, such as Bluetooth connectivity and touchscreen options. It's also fuel efficient, with averages in the 28-38 mpg range, depending on the setup. One of the Elantra's strongest points is value for money. You often get a newer model year or lower mileage compared to similarly priced competitors. Maintenance costs are generally affordable, and parts are widely available. While it may not last quite as long as a Corolla or Civic in every case, Hyundai has greatly improved its build quality over the years. For budget-conscious buyers who want style, comfort, and affordability, the 2015 Elantra is an excellent pick. The 2015 Ford Focus is another excellent option for drivers looking to spend under $10,000. Typically priced between $7,500 and $9,500. It offers a nice mix of comfort, technology, and fuel efficiency. The Focus has sharp handling that makes city driving and highway cruising enjoyable, with a solid feel on the road. Inside, it provides supportive seating and a good amount of tech for its class, including available features like Ford's Sync infotainment system and even a rear-view camera in many trims. The hatchback version also adds extra cargo space, making it practical for students or small families. Fuel economy ranges from 27 to 40 mpg depending on the engine, so it's light on gas expenses too. While you'll want to double-check transmission condition on automatics, a well-maintained Focus can be a dependable and fun-to-drive car that delivers great value for money.